girl with a bright smile. Don't worry, even if you've never drawn a person before, the steps are extremely simple and fun. Let's get started right away. Start by drawing a gentle curve to create the girl's face. To create a cute look, you can make the face a bit round, not too angular. Draw the girl's hair. You can choose to draw long, slightly curly hair or short hair, depending on your preference. The hair can be drawn flowing to create a natural and cute feeling. Don't forget to add small details like curly strands or wavy lines to make the hair more lively. Create a simple body pose. You can draw a cute dress with details like bows, buttons, or small patterns to make the girl more adorable. Draw 2 arms that are placed behind the back. Draw the legs with a simple pose. Draw 2 large circles to create eyes for the girl. To create a cute look, you can make the girl's eyes really big, round, and bright. A cute little nose, add a bright smile. Choose bright colors for your girl. You can choose gentle colors like pastel pink, light blue, or white to keep it fresh and feminine. With your cute girl drawing. Hope you have fun drawing and creating a